Hi everyone, what's up? Josh here, and today we're going to be making coffee using the PalmPress coffee press. Now in this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the PalmPress and show you exactly how to use it and brew delicious coffee. You'll also learn about the key features and why it stands out from the rest of the brewers. Definitely go ahead and click that like button and hit the subscribe if you enjoy all things coffee related so as to not miss out on our weekly uploads. Let's get into today's video. Standout features to the PalmPress coffee press are the zero waste brewing, making it an eco-friendly option for coffee lovers. It's also incredibly easy to use. All you need to begin brewing is some ground coffee, hot water, time to brew it, and then time to sit down and enjoy a delicious coffee. Now the PalmPress comes very lightweight and compact. And to begin brewing, you want to unscrew this top lid and then push out from the inside. This will create the brewing vessel. The lid, this contains the removable stainless steel filter, and this will eventually keep out all the grounds from your final brew. From here, we're going to go ahead and add the coffee grounds into the brewer. Now, I suggest using a medium to coarse grind for the best flavor results in this immersion style brew. Though there's really no limit to the amount of coffee that you can place in this brewer. That really depends on the preferred strength of coffee that you enjoy drinking. I'm going to be using 18 grams of coffee, which is around 2.5 tablespoons, though there are also great volumetric measurements found inside the brewer for both ground coffee and hot water. So in essence, you don't really need a set of scales when using the PalmPress. Now with water, I recommend using it a minute off of the boil, or around 90 to 95 degrees Celsius for the best extraction. Pour the hot water over the coffee until it reaches the top of the brewer, and ensure that you don't fill it here past that max fill line. And you can give it a gentle stir to ensure all those grounds get fully saturated, but next we're going to screw the lid back on. And we do this by holding firmly around the locating ring found at the top and around the outside of the PalmPress to secure the lid in place. And next we're just going to let it steep here for 3 minutes. Now what sets the PalmPress apart from other coffee presses is its unique design. It's collapsible, so you can literally place this in the palm of your hand, and it's not like it's taking up any room in your luggage whilst traveling. It's made from durable silicone, and it uses that reusable stainless steel filter. So the fact that you don't need to carry paper filters with this is a huge win. Now, when that 3-minute timer's up, you just want to double check that that lid is on properly prior to flipping the PalmPress. And you can either set your cup on top first and then flip it quickly, or line up the edge of the PalmPress with the edge of the cup. And at this point, you want to make sure that you keep your hands at the back of the PalmPress and away from that pouring edge. When picking up the PalmPress, also make sure you're holding the lid and not the cup. But when you're ready, flip it upside down and have it sit on top of your cup. Now you might do one more quick swirl here with the cup, but then we're going to gently press down directly on the flat base and the coffee should begin brewing out the bottom. Now, if you're not seeing any coffee brewing out, or it's difficult to press down on the PalmPress, stop. You're best to flip it back up and restart that process, as there could be a blockage in the stainless steel filter preventing any coffee from brewing out into the cup. And honestly, pressing hard down on the PalmPress isn't necessary. Though, if everything went well, you'll now have a full cup of filtered coffee to enjoy. Cheers. I find the flavor is full-bodied, yet clean, and it can be bright and sweet. And the filter does a great job of removing the grounds, though you can get a little bit of sediment at the bottom of your cup. However, adjusting grind size can mitigate this in the future. Now, if you prefer a stronger cup of coffee or adding milk into your coffee, you can also adjust the coffee to water ratio to your liking. So more coffee with less water for a stronger, shorter cup of coffee, or for a milder cup of coffee, use the most water with less coffee grounds. Now to clean the PalmPress. You simply need to unscrew that lid and then knock out any grounds into the garden or bin. Remove the stainless steel filter and rinse everything and then dry it before storing it away. To ensure optimal performance of the stainless steel filter and longevity of the PalmPress, it's important to clean and maintain it regularly, and a further breakdown of the PalmPress is also possible. So now you know how to use the PalmPress, let me give you a few tips to help you achieve the perfect cup of coffee using the PalmPress every time. First, make sure you use high quality coffee beans. As they say, the better the beans, the better the coffee. Second, you can use a set of scales. This way you measure the exact amount of coffee grounds and hot water, and this will ensure a consistent brewing experience every time. And then lastly, don't be afraid to experiment, using different brewing ratios, different steep times, and different coffee beans. The palm press is versatile enough to handle all brewing methods and coffee types. And overall, it's an excellent option for anybody who wants a high quality portable coffee brewer that's paper filter free and a sustainable choice for brewing at home and certainly on the go. So if you have any further questions on the palm press, add them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.